Good afternoon, my friends. I've got here a very interesting LED light. It is a Luma Glow. This is the only one I have all the time since this LED lights came out. I bought the type that is made of plastic, but this one is glass, like the old type bulbs. But it is a LED. There is in a very fine press. It's a 3 watt, so it's very low, very economic, but it shines up very well. It's a white glow, and one day it's just dimmed down because we use it outside. And then one evening when I put the light on, I see it is very dim. Now normally what happened with the LEDs, the normal type that you know, one or two of the LEDs burn, and then it glow, you can see it is more dim and so on, but all four still light up, but it's just very dim, as I say. It's not so bright. So let's plug it in that you can see what I mean. And I've got here my old school light lead, my old lead. This is really an old school one. I think you all know this old type. This is long before the nowadays lights that we use in our workshops and so on. So okay, so it's a bayonet type. So I'm going to plug it in a wall so that you can see it still works, but very dim. And I wonder why all four still burn, but it's only not so bright. What can the reason be for that? Because normally a LED burn, it works or it don't burn, as far as I know. So let's put it on. Okay, there you can see. It's really, I see on camera, it look if it shine up really good, but it is actually not. With my eyes, it is only a little bit of an orange, and you can see it little flicker a little bit as well. So I wonder if someone know why will this LED do this? Still works, but not work as it should. And if there is a vacuum inside as well, because the other LEDs don't care in what is the environment it work in, but this one is glass. So it's just a short one, guys. I need to hear what you think, how this one works. And normally it was very bright, actually very bright. Okay, my friends, let's switch it off. And you can also see it take a little bit of time to go down. So I wonder if it make heat so that it make that substance red hot or whatever the case may be. I'm not sure. Okay, my friends, see you on the next one and let me know what you think about it. Bye bye.